or Daddy? Mommy? Say mommy.
Look at the pretty girl. Look at your face. You're so happy. You're looking right at the camera.
Say mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
The little feetsies.
What's going on with you? What are you doing?
Really?
Oh, I see. So, what does that mean? Oh.
No.
Oh.
Pickle, pickle. Little pickle. No, we don't want that, Noopy. We want her to keep talking to us.
What's that mean? What's
Olive.
that supposed to mean?
Pretty girl, pretty girl. No, no crying. You're such a faker. You're faking.
Little miss.
Little miss. Little miss Pootinkiness.
Oh. I'm Olive, and I say hi, Mommy.
Daddy's got you.
Oh! What's all this? What's this mean, huh? What does this mean? What's that in there? Over here? Is that what you are? Yes,
I cannot see her. Has she calmed down?